This is a tutorial on how to make an image for a tattoo. We're going to use a 256 by 256 image. We're going to create the image and the opacity using GIMP, and we're going to add it to IMVU on our create mode to make a tattoo. The first thing we're going to do is create new and get 256 by 256 on here. And then we are going to convert this to alpha. It's very important when you're doing anything with opacities to color it to alpha. And anytime something is colored to alpha, in order for it to keep its transparency after you've saved it, you're going to have to save it as a .png file. Okay, we're going to do something real simple. We're just going to write a name. And just insert the text you're going to use. I'm just going to put Lollipop Trollop. Just keep it very simple. And then I'm going to adjust, make it centered, make it a little larger. We don't want to overtake our image. We want it to look proportionate. This tattoo is actually going to go on a belly. Let's change the font up. Scriptina. That's a little hard to read. We're going to look for something more bold that's going to be more likely to show up as a tattoo. I have found that if you try to put things that aren't so bold, you lose it. You don't see it very well. Okay, there we go. Lollipop Trollop. Now, we're going to save this. Save as. Put it on our desktop. I'm just going to put lt.png. That's very important that you keep your .png on there to keep your transparency. It's going to just click export right here. It automatically has the settings that you need for that. And now we're going to make the opacity layer. And I have found that the easiest way to make an opacity layer is just while this is still open, go ahead and use your background right here on your layers and get your bucket tool, and you're going to make sure that fill the whole selection is clicked right here, and fill that back layer up with black. And then you're going to change whatever image you're using for your tattoo to white so that it shows through on the tattoo. So we're going to select our layer that says Lollipop Trollop, go to Colors, Colorize, and switch this last option, Lightness, all the way to your right to 100 and click OK. And that's all there is to it. And then we're going to save this one. I always save it, use the same file name, that way I can keep them together. So it'll be LT space OP, and I just use the OP for opacity. And save. Export, save. That's all there is to it.